How to convert a JPEG image, a PNG image into a vector graphic to use the vector for creating high quality coloring books for children, physical coloring books for children. You can also use these images to create ebooks, of course, but we want to create physical books for children, physical coloring books for children, and therefore we need to convert our images we created with AI into vector graphic. I use Leonardo.AI for the images to create. I use Inkscape to convert the images into a vector graphic, and this is what I will show you, what I'm going to show you right now. Hello, my name is René. Below this video you will find all the links to the tools I use and also a link to a full training of a friend of mine where you can create physical books with his software, and he also trains you how to do everything from the idea up to the ready to sell physical book for children. So feel free to check this out. I highly recommend to do. Let's dive in. My prompt you can use to adapt. You also can use ChatGPT to write prompts for the image creation. An image of a friendly tree with a face in the style of the trees from the Lord of the Rings. Cartoon illustration for coloring book with crisp black lines, high quality 4K white background and very detailed. Again, I use Leonardo.AI. If you never use this, go to this website and you need to whitelist yourself by giving your email. I've already done this, of course. I'm a pro member. You need to become a pro member if you want to use the images commercially. I will. So I'm a pro member. You can see I have 7.5K tokens here to create images. And on the left hand side we have the user tools, and we only need the AI image generation today. And make sure to make the image 1024 by 1024. And you can see I've already done some images with my prompt and also from already made images. You can use, for instance, you can use this image and click here, use for image to image. I just want to show you, and it's now here, image to image. You keep the prompt and just click enter again, and Leonardo will create new images from this image. Okay, so you want to do this if you want to create more than one image in the same style. So let's check this one. Looks pretty cool. You have a lot of details you can colorize. So I will use this image. I just click on the arrow here, download image to my desk. Next step is to go to inkscape.org. You want to download for your system Linux, Windows or Mac. I've already done this, so I will start. Let's close this here. I will start Inkscape now. And from here now a small dialog box will open. And we want to use social because the image size from Leonardo is 1024 by 1024. I go here to Instagram Square. I scroll down, click on it. And now the canvas is 1080 by 1080. Okay, pressing string, use the mouse wheel. I can change the size of the canvas and the images. So I click on File, Import my images. My image I've just downloaded. You don't need to change any settings here. You just click on OK, and let's drag it into the canvas. So if I scale this now, I use press ring and the mouse wheel up, you can see it's not quality, it's not sharp. No beauty experience if you want to coloring such an image, right? So that's why we need to create a vector graphic. And how do we do this? We click on the image and we go to Path and Trace Bitmap. You can play with the settings here. You don't need to do this because we only have a black and white image. Okay, so I just click on Apply here. And now I have my vector graphic on top of the image graphic. So I drag my vector to the right, and you can see it's a vector graphic because the background is white here and gray here, so it's empty. This is not filled with any color, all right? And this is the image, and we can delete the image now. And we put this again back into the canvas, and now string mouse wheel, and you can see the beauty of a vector graphic. And we need this to make sure our readers have a high experience when they hold the book in the hand and when they want to coloring the images we provide them. All right. Next step is to save. I close the Trace Bitmap here. I go on File, click on Save As. And then I choose my destination and I use Optimized SVG. Click on Save, and we have some settings here. We don't need to put any or to edit any here. You just click on OK. And our vector graphic is ready to use for our physical coloring book for children. That's it. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Again, all the links are below this video. And again, check the software and video training from my friend on how to create children books, physical children books in high quality, all done with his software, with his AI he provides within the membership. This was a video how to convert a JPEG image, a PNG image into a vector graphic using Inkscape. Bye for now.